All right, guys, let's talk about how to use Microsoft Word. This is a great tool. This is a word processor. You cannot do this stuff on like Notes or WordPad or any other tool. It needs to be something like Microsoft Word. If you don't have that, it's a lie because you have it through school. So go to the JOHS library page and find your Word Online account. I think most of you have found that already. So far in my document, I've gone to Insert, and I've added a page break here that creates multiple pages in the document and allows me to like avoid having to hit enter a million times and make a second page to work on my cover page. That kind of mistake is unnecessary when you have a tool like Microsoft Word. So I'm now going to page number. I want it at the top of the page on the right, and that's in my header. I have 3 pages in my document by accident. So you may say, oh no, McGinnis, here's this number 1, that's a problem. You'll want to go to Design here at the top and hit Different First Page. And then your first page header will be blank. You'll hit Close Header. You'll see it's blank there. And your second page starts with the number 2, which is what you want. Then I will go through and just do my normal typing. I've tabbed over. So I want it to be center justified. Here I actually will hit enter and type in my question and name and everything else and keep it moving. So that's how to do the page numbering and the cover page. Quickly, I'm going to show you where to go to insert a footnote. So you will go to References, and you'll see here the style is already set to Chicago. This, like I said, Microsoft Word is an incredible tool. You can do a lot with this. If you guys are interested, you can find some YouTube videos on how to use sources and stuff in Microsoft Word. It's nothing that I've explored, but some of you want to learn, as much as possible. So go through and check that out. So you'll just insert a footnote here with this button, and I think you may need text. So back to References, insert a footnote, and you'll see there that it's added the superscript there after my text, and it's included the footnote here at the bottom. Don't forget those footnotes need to be single spaced, and you can just like copy paste the citations from the Schoology page that I included for this paper. So that's how to insert a footnote. Good luck.